dinner tonight. I'm trying to, as one of my 2021 resolutions, trying to cook more, get less takeout. I mean, you know, we're only halfway through the month, so still have some time to be better. Cooking tonight, easy slow cooker meal. Wanted to bring you guys along for the ride. This one I'm trying from the Magnolia Table cookbook. I got this from Santa, and this is the first recipe I'm trying out of it, so I'm super excited about it. Hopefully it's good. If it's not, I'll just throw the cookbook away. So this one's a slow cooker meal, which makes it perfect for a day like today. I have smush, and it's a work day, so between dealing with, you know, being a parent and then working, it's a lot. So to have something just kind of chilling in the slow cooker, and then it's ready when I am, that is just a dream. Okay, so literally the easiest recipe in the world. That's why pretty much I picked it. So we are going to start by adding all our wet ingredients, and then throw the meat in, throw it in the crock pot, and literally set it and forget it. So that works for me. So here's the lineup. So a regular can of cream of mushroom soup into your crock pot bowl. I'm actually using my Instant Pot, which I definitely don't use enough, but it does have a slow cooker feature. So, you know, if you have an Instant Pot, you don't have to get your slow cooker out, especially if you don't even have one. We're going to throw in 8 ounces of mushrooms, so real mushrooms, not just what's in the cream of mushroom soup. I use the store's help here. It's already sliced. Why make extra work for myself? A packet of onion soup mix, so really beefing up that onion flavor, really complements the mushrooms. So I like where we're headed with this. And then, you know, you need water in a crock pot. That's what's going to break everything down. So I just have 1/3 of a cup of water already pre-measured here. And then to cut through all this creaminess, we need an acid, right? So the recipe actually calls for sherry. I don't have any sherry, so I'm going to use balsamic vinegar. It's the same kind of robust type of layered flavor, so you get the sweet and the vinegary, and that's going to help cut through some of this creaminess. So I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of balsamic vinegar to the mixture here, and then I'm just going to whisk all this up to get this all incorporated. What's great about this is it's one pot. I don't have to take things off the stove, incorporate it, you know, saute anything first, and then throw it in the Instant Pot. It's literally just like dump it and forget it. And that's what I'm about today. Just one of those days. Okay, so I have 2 pounds of stew meat here. Again, took help from the store, just got it pre-cubed. If you want to get your own like beef round and cube it up, you can do that too, but I mean, why? Added a little bit of pepper here. No salt because we have a lot of salt in the soup, in the soup mix. Don't need the extra salt. You can salt it, and I'm sure I will salt it after it comes through. Okay, disaster. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick because I just touched raw meat, and then I'll be right back.
1 hour later.
All right, I am gonna mix this all together. It already looks so good, so creamy. I bet this is gonna be real good. Oh, God, my real good. All right, so now I'm just gonna put it into my Instant Pot. So I'm just gonna get this cleaned up, and then I'm gonna serve this with a buttermilk cheese bread that I make in my bread machine. That sounds really, I'm gonna make this with a loaf of homemade bread. No, I make it in a bread machine. First of all, my hands cannot knead that many times. I also don't have the time or energy to set a timer. Okay, this needs to rise, blah, blah, blah. The bread machine does all of that stuff for me, and I still get fresh baked bread, like, no brainer for me. But I'm just gonna make it, put it in the bread machine. If that's something that you guys would be interested in seeing, it's really just, I mean, this was like this too, but it's a dump and let the bread machine do its thing kind of situation. So I'll probably just show you the finished product when it's all done. Okay, so update. It's literally been 8 hours. We're a little worse from wear on the day, but what are you doing?
Whatever I want. I'm the cameraman.
You can't do whatever you want, right? Okay. So it's finally done. And
coming over here. Ooh, who that? Oh, that's me.
Don't want to get too close.
Ooh.
That looks good, right?
Smells delicious. I wish you had smell-o-vision.
I know. All right, cameraman, I'm going to pull a piece of meat out.
Yeah. Trying to get a better angle.
See if you can... You want to taste it from behind the camera?
How about in front of the camera?
Oh, God. Yes.
Oh, man.
How is it?
Oh, this shit's real good.
Is it good?
It's delicious.
Awesome. All right, so it seems like he's my barometer, not me, just as long as he's happy.
Yeah, it's really good.
And this one too, but he can't eat this yet.
No.
So I'm just gonna serve this up with some fresh baked bread. It looks really terrible.
No, it doesn't.
Because I was trying to pull it out of the bread machine, and then that's my hand.
That's
those
okay.
imprints. But it smells really, really good in here, and I can't wait to get into this, wait to get into the bread, because I'm obsessed with fresh baked bread.
It's delicious.
Even if it does come from a bread machine. But, yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe.
Don't poke your son in the face.
Don't poke your son with a fork. Words of wisdom. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time.
Bye-bye. Recording.
Look, did you hit the movie button?
Yeah, it says record 00910.
Oh, okay, so that's right.